Are you wasting time, money, and effort juggling multiple AI APIs? OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, it's a mess. Endpoints change, prices change, models change. But there's a better way, OpenRouter. OpenRouter is the unified interface for LLMs. 500 plus models from 60 plus providers, big labs and niche open source, behind one API. Better prices, better uptime, no subscription. OpenRouter is fully OpenAI compatible. Switch your app with one line of code, the base URL. Now you can swap GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude Sonnet 4.5, all with the same code. No vendor lock-in. Experiment instantly. It's more than a switchboard, it's reliability. If a provider goes down, OpenRouter falls back automatically. Edge infrastructure adds just till the 25 ms latency, keeping apps fast and costs low. OpenRouter tracks live rankings, token usage, latency, tool accuracy. See which models perform best for the price. Route simple tasks to low-cost models, complex tasks to cutting-edge ones. AI routing made easy. Getting started is simple. 1. Sign up free. 2. Buy credits. 3. Plug in your API key. Using your own keys, you get 1 million free BYOC requests per month. Scale without limits. OpenRouter isn't just convenient, it's strategic. Future-proof your apps, use the best AI for every task. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and drop a comment below. Don't miss our next AI deep dive.